Boy, I can't wait for spring, and I got the perfect nail design to celebrate. Check out this video, guys.
So I started off this design with applying 2 coats of red, and I'm curing each coat for 30 seconds. For this design, I'm leaving the inhibition layer alone because I do want it a little tacky as I'm rubbing on this black art form. And I'm using the brush that comes in the cream gel kit for this. For some of you guys that are new nail techs or maybe new to nail art, one of the first things that I do before I even start a design like this is establish where my light source is coming from. And I find that once I know where I want to make my light source come from, I know where to put my shadows and my highlights. And a lot of times I will use a photo reference, and when I do pick a photo reference, I choose a photo that has a very strong source of light and some good contrast. Once I've established my source of light, I'll always start with the shadows and then start bringing up my highlights, followed by white being the very last thing. So typically my designs would always start off really dark, and then it would start coming to life as you start to highlight them, and that would freak out some of my clients back when I was doing a lot of clients. And you just gotta trust the process sometimes. And yeah, I've had plenty of times where I'm doubting the design as I'm working on it, but one thing I know in painting is that there's always a way that you can correct these things, like having an eraser. One of the things that I get from talking to nail techs around the world is the hardest thing for them, and one of the most frustrating things for them, is when a client brings them a picture from Pinterest and wants them to replicate it, and the nail tech has no idea how to replicate that design. So I hope that my videos help in showing nail techs where to start with these designs. And for me, it always starts from going darker to the lighter. I hope this helps, guys, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and have a good one.